Hello, how you doing today? Isaac here with Bill's Blaster. Today we're going to explore, we're cleaning the engine room on a 112-foot WestPort. So basically the engine room's already very clean. I'm going through it, but I'm cleaning every single square inch of the whole entire engine room, under the floorboards, every single electrical panel, all the perforated panels, engines, under the bilges, every single object. And I'm going to give you an example of precision cleaning. What we're going to be doing here is going to be very careful when we're working around these sensitive electronics and fragile objects, high voltage, things like that. What I'm doing here is these ACs are running right now, so what I'm going to do is take my time and clean them while they're running using specialized cleaning probes. Okay, and let me show you how it gets done. You're going to be really careful not to get nothing wet, so we use a low volume of water. Being very careful. See, it's like this. So we basically go around, take our time, and we clean these little areas while the machine is still running. We don't have to even turn the pump off. As you can see. Little by little, we'll end up cleaning the whole pump without doing any damage to anything. You gotta be very careful about the electronics if you're not hurting anything. Areas like in here. So what we're going to be doing is going around and cleaning every single square inch of the whole entire engine room, all the bilges, up underneath everything, and it gets perfectly wiped down, very nice, super shiny. We're going to be doing the generators, remove the generator covers. Ultimately, every single square inch of the whole entire engine room needs to be perfectly wiped down and clean. So that's what we specialize in, being very careful, understanding the tools and techniques and the objects that we're actually cleaning. You have to understand what they are and how to protect them. Stay tuned to the next project. We're going to show you a little bit about painting the engines, rust removal, how to deal with corrosion, oxidation, how to properly treat it and prevent it from coming back.